We are Terrassen Cafe. We are the first ever vegan cafe in Hyderabad. We started in 2015 and we are one of the first vegan eateries in all of India also. My name is Dr. Brinda Pujari. We are a slow food cafe, so everything is made from scratch. Nothing is pre-made and pre-done. We make our cheese in-house. We make the curd in-house. All of our fermented beverages like the kombucha, the rice beer, etc. everything is made in-house. The first dish is a jackfruit biryani and we make it in a clay pot. So it's called dum biryani. It's a Hyderabadi way of cooking the biryani. We start with steaming the rice and then seasoning it with spices like star anise, cloves and pepper, and then peppercorns. We set that aside. Then we marinate the jackfruit in the marinade. The marinade is made of cashew curd, turmeric and pepper powder, and then we marinate it for some time. We cook it for a bit and then we assemble it in a clay pot. So we first start with the gravy and then we add some of the marinated jackfruit, and we top it over with rice and again a bit of gravy, again top it over with rice, and then we cover it with a lid and then we seal that with some dough, and then that goes into an oven at around 300 degrees centigrade for around 4 to 5 minutes, and then the biryani is ready. And we serve this with the curd, which is a little bit watered down cashew curd, and it's salted and there are few spices added in it. I love the flavors of the dish and I love that it has a kind of a spice, and even the jackfruit is very juicy and it absorbs all of the marinade in it, so it's very flavorful. I love the pairing with the raita. I love that it is steaming hot when it comes and you just can open the container and it's ready there.